Hi, this is Terrell, graphic recorder and creator of Frame the Message Inc. This is Picture This. In Module 4, Part 1, we'll supersize your sketchbook and see how visual notes can be transformed into a type of public note-taking known as graphic recording. In this module, the secrets of going big will be revealed. Back in 2006, I sat in an audience and witnessed my first graphic recording session. From the moment the graphic recorder unpacked her pens, I was instantly hooked. Not only did her colorful illustrations draw me in, but the way she simplified concepts and connected the learning made this a profound learning experience for me. Where the speaker alone may have lost me, she had me under a learning spell. And I hoped anxiously that she would be invited back next year because I couldn't imagine learning without her. When I pulled back the curtain, I discovered there were thousands of people using visuals to capture these big ideas with just a few combinations of text, images, and a few graphic elements. They were known by many names: graphic recorders, graphic facilitators, visual scribes, visual harvesters. It runs the gamut. But they were all part of a tribe that I discovered through becoming a member of the International Forum of Visual Practitioners. Every one of them is different. They have different styles, they use different processes, but all of them are designed to enhance learning through visuals. Graphic recording is the translation of conversations into images and text on large sheets of paper during meetings and events. So a graphic recorder translates spoken word to visual image. Simple enough. Graphic recorders combine the skills of a note taker and an artist to visually represent information communicated orally. During a portion of a meeting, a graphic recorder will capture the ideas and information as they're being expressed, and they'll translate it onto large pieces of wall-hung paper, usually 4 by 6 or 8 feet. Sometimes more. So what makes going big so valuable for learners? The large size of the chart makes learning and thinking visible. It reflects the whole, and it mirrors not only the content, but also the processes that the group is going through. These large, colorful murals can be photographed, used online, used in videos, brochures, or even as screensavers to help solidify learning following the conference or event. The work of a graphic recorder usually revolves around a meeting of some sort, either before, during, or after. It takes place in boardrooms, conference spaces, meeting rooms, hotel rooms, classrooms, both on stage and off stage. Graphic recording is a great fit for groups of just about any size. Anywhere information is being delivered or processed verbally, and anywhere you want to capture an overview of that content or see and visualize patterns and key ideas. And any meeting that is focused on ideation, collaboration, vision, or even making decisions. A large sheet of paper is wrapped around a sheet of foam core and placed on easels at the front or side of the room. The graphic recorder works silently using a variety of tools to capture the message visually for the audience. As the speaker is speaking, the recorder is often organizing ideas and information as it's coming in and capturing it in ways that help people see patterns and relationships. So why go big with graphic recording? The audience is likely to be distracted by something, so why not make it the learning itself? When a graphic recorder works in a large format, learning is visible for all to see. It increases participation. It's something that allows people to kind of hook their ideas into a space where a common understanding is presented. It fosters trust. The ideas in the room now don't only belong to the individual, but they belong to the group as a whole. Graphic recording taps directly into our brain's ability to process visual information. It's the perfect tool for bridging perspectives, beliefs, and knowledge. Graphic recording can actually help us connect, contribute, learn, and make meaning together.